In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename chart and axis titles in Microsoft Power BI Desktop. First, launch your Power BI app on your desktop and open one of your existing report files. Give it a moment to load and make sure your visualizations pane is visible on the right. If you don't see it, check that your workspace isn't collapsed or hidden behind another pane. Next, click on one of your charts to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline and the visualizations panel updates with options for that specific visual. On the right, go to the Format Visual section. This is where you control how the visual looks, including titles, legends, and axes. Find and click on Legend, then click on Title. If the title is turned off, switch it on. Once it's on, you'll see a field where you can type in a new title for your chart. Enter a clear, descriptive title that tells viewers exactly what the chart represents. As you type, keep an eye on the visual to confirm the change appears as expected. Short, specific titles usually work best, and consistency across your report helps your audience follow along more easily. You can repeat the same steps for your other charts. Simply click each visual, go to the Format Visual panel, open Legend, turn on Title if it's off, and type in the appropriate title. Taking a minute to align naming conventions across visuals, like using the same time period phrasing or metric names, will make your report feel more polished and easier to navigate. You can also change the titles for different axes. Click directly on one axis to target it, or select the visual and navigate to its axis settings in the Format Visual panel. Then click on Title and rename it to match the data it represents. For example, if your x-axis shows months, make sure the title clearly reflects that. And if your y-axis shows a metric like revenue or count, name it accordingly. Clear axis titles reduce ambiguity and help your audience interpret the scale and units at a glance. Once you've updated your chart and axis titles, scan the page to make sure nothing overlaps and everything remains readable. If a title looks cramped, consider shortening the wording while keeping the meaning intact. When you're satisfied, save your file so your changes are preserved. That's it. With these simple adjustments, your visuals will communicate more clearly and look more professional across your entire report.